Hi everyone, this is Josephine here from Designed by Josephine and Josie. And today's video is a springtime tablescaping video part 1. I am so excited to be sharing with you ladies and gentlemen this springtime tablescaping video part 1. And this video is basically a tutorial on how you can put together a springtime tablescape. But before I share with you ladies and gentlemen on how you can put a springtime tablescape together, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos every other week, and I do tablescaping videos, how to entertain at home videos, home decor videos, and also gardening videos. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And once you subscribe to my channel, there's this little bell right next to the subscription button. Just click on the bell and click on the word all, and you'll get a notification when I upload new videos on my channel. And also, I do have some items that I would highly recommend for you tablescapers out there. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the links down below in the description box. I am affiliated with the links, and also I want to mention that I am going to be leaving some recipes that I found online down below in the description box for your next dinner parties. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go ahead and share with you ladies and gentlemen on how I put this tablescaping together, and also share with you my tips and tricks for putting a springtime tablescaping together. So the first thing I want to share with you ladies and gentlemen is how I put this tablescape together, what inspired me to put it together. And my inspiration are these beautiful soup and dinner plates. So I have this soup bowl right here and the dinner plates that my mom and I have had for a few years right now. And my mom and I got these at Macys a few years back, and they're absolutely gorgeous. And each soup bowl and each dinner plate has a different floral design. So this basically really inspired me for this tablescape. So the soup bowl and the dinner plates were my inspiration. And as you can see, each soup bowl and each dinner plate is different. So I thought to myself, okay, what is the next thing that I can add together to make this beautiful tablescape to look absolutely gorgeous? So what I've decided to go ahead and do is use this beautiful tablecloth from Lenox. And if you're familiar with Lenox, this pattern is one of the patterns that is really well known for Lenox. So I've decided to go ahead and put it with the plates. And the other thing that I've decided to do for this tablescape is use this beautiful silk flower centerpiece that my mom have made, and I've decided to go ahead and use this garland as well. So now let me go ahead and share with you the other items that I have on the table. Here is some silverware that I got right here, and they are Royal Doulton. And the wine glasses and the cylinder glasses are from the dollar store. So okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go over one more item before I share my tips and tricks. These napkins are napkins that my mom and I have had for a long time. They have a beautiful floral design right here that is embroidered in here in white, and they're absolutely gorgeous. And my mom decided to go ahead and put a flower right on the napkin ring. And the napkin rings are also pearl napkin rings. Okay. Alright, so now let me go ahead and get started with my tips and tricks. So one of the things when it comes to tablescapes and designing your tablescape is it's a little bit tricky when you have a pattern and you want to combine it with another pattern. And one of the tips that I want to share with you, ladies and gentlemen, is tip number 1 is when you are using a plate like this that have a floral design and you want to use a floral pattern tablecloth, definitely use a tablecloth that is within the same color theme. Okay, and as you can see, the plates have some blues, yellows, purples, and pinks and whites. And the same thing with the tablecloth, this Lennox tablecloth. Okay, again, it has blue, purple, pinks, and whites, and yellow. And I do have some yellow as well on the plates as well. So again, make sure that everything is basically the same color theme. The same thing with the rest of your dinnerware. When it comes to the dinnerware that you're going to be using for your side dishes, make sure that they're the same color as your plates and also your tablecloth. And again, it really makes this, you know, your tablescape look very, very sophisticated, very, very elegant. It doesn't look too busy. It just looks really, really nice together. Okay. And so that is tip number 1. Tip number 2 is when you're using floral arrangements to go with a floral pattern tablecloth and a floral pattern plate. Again, tip number 2 is to make sure, again, they are the same color theme. Because as you can see, it just flows. Everything just flows together, as you can see. And then, so that was tip number 2. So tip number 3 is the same thing with your other items that you have on your tablescape. And right here I have a garland. And the garland goes really well with everything because it is the same color theme. And then tip number 4 is when you're using a napkin, don't use a floral pattern napkin when you are doing a springtime tablescape. If you have a, let's say, you know, like for example, I have this floral pattern tablecloth. I do not want to put a floral pattern napkin, you know, any type of cloth, napkin cloth, or any type of napkin, whether it's paper napkin or napkin cloth. I want to just keep it simple and just keep it a solid color. And you want to pull a color that is either from the color of the plates or from the color of the tablecloth itself. And in this case, I've decided to go ahead and use a white napkin. Okay, so those are my tips and tricks, and I think that was the 4th tip and trick. And, you know, one of the things about this is just, you know, let your eye just look around and see what goes with what. And that's what I've decided to go ahead and do. And like I said before, you do not want your tablescape to look really busy. You want it to look really, really elegant, really sophisticated. And as you can see, the salt and pepper that I have on the table here, they are floral, and again, they have the pink, the purple, the blue, and the yellow, and the white. And the charger plates, I thought it would be really nice to put these charger plates right here. These charger plates are from Hobby Lobby, They have a beautiful, kind of like a lace design, and I thought that it would look really beautiful with this tablescape. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this springtime tablescaping video part 1. I will be doing more of these, and these videos are basically for you ladies and gentlemen to get inspired, to get inspiration for your tablescapes. And please be sure to check out my other videos. I'm going to go ahead and leave the links down below. And don't forget to also subscribe to my channel and definitely check out my other videos. I will be doing more tablescaping videos, more how to entertain at home videos, more home decor videos, and more gardening videos as well. Bye-bye, and God bless.